Hello everyone, it's Ina. Today is Saturday. Today is my aunt's birthday and I have to buy some flowers for her. But price is expensive, so we are going to make our own bouquet. Здравствуйте. So I got some flowers. I got the roses and I was going to buy some chrysanthemums too, but I kind of changed my mind after talking to a florist. Actually, this time, like 10 minutes later, there was another woman. So we're going to see what we can make with our flowers, because I'm going to show you what flowers I have and what can we do with them. Honestly, I don't know what we're going to get. So let's see, what do we have? Ooh, dogs, you want to sniff? Oh, Lucky wants to sniff. So we have beautiful roses. We have this, wow, dogs. Here is, you also want to sniff. So we have this plant. I think it looks kind of good together. And also a little bit of purplish, this lavender. I think lavender, maybe not, but something. Looks not bad. We have a lot of these flowers. Well, I don't think they match well together. Yeah, they don't. So, but we also have this kind of stuff that we can also add. Maybe they will look good. Oh, we have a lot of leaves like this. Maybe they don't look good, but we'll see. Okay, so everything is ready. We have this kind of field flowers, look like chamomile, but purplish, violetish. I got these things, don't know how they called, don't ask me. A little bit of this, just to check if it will match. If not, I can get like more. I don't want to cut everything. So we have flowers, we have these things. I think they look kind of okay by color scheme. We have acacia and have some craft paper and some other type of paper, wrapping paper. Here we have a lot of ribbons. So basically yellowish, brownish, whitish. Here's also red, blue, and I have all other colors like this. I also have, so it's not a problem. I'm probably going to get it soon. Just I thought my color scheme would be different, but we're working with this purplish, violetish, whatever, rose. So let's get started. And by the way, I'm going to work at my mom's place. It's her, I don't know, I would not say heaven, but it's her cabinet. Obviously she likes sea and she does a lot of souvenirs for the seaside. So here I can see a lot of different seashells of different kinds and varieties, and different tools for construction, but they use them for decorating, TV that I'm not going to watch, and other stuff. Yeah, so a little bit of different seashells for you, so you would know how much stuff she makes. She does craft all the time and nothing stops her, even her cancer, that she successfully beat it up. So here is stuff, different beads, everything that you might need for decorating. Here are some kind of corals, different wooden pots, again different shells, everything. Here more. It's like nothing. All on that side there are also different shells. So my flowers. So again, tools. So can see different shells here. I think a little bit bigger ones. So here some pinkish, whitish, greenish, like everything, and they are with names and labels and everything. And on top we have different bamboo stuff. So I think it is quite obvious. So I mean, I don't have to explain to you much why I have decided to make a bouquet by myself and not just buy the arranged one. The first reason is they just have the basic flowers. they just put 5 flowers together and okay, here we go, there's your bouquet. I didn't want that. Second, I wrote some books. I like crafts. My mom is a super craftsman. My dad is keen on books. And do you think the mind like this can just simply go and buy flowers and pay like 5 times more than, and to get like, I would not say crap, but something that you are not happy with? And no, I cannot do it. I'm going to do everything by myself. It's fine. I have everything. I have also craft paper, and let's go. Okay, so the bouquet is ready and I'm ready to show it to you. I fixed it a little bit. It's still not very good with wrapping stuff. I did my best, and anyway, I think it's better whatever they would have suggested me. I don't know, my flowers are better. My decor is definitely not good, but it's made with love, so it is what it is. Okay, so this is herring with beets and dry bread. So here we have vegetables, so chicken, potatoes. What is this? Meat in the cabbage rolls. Peppers. What is that? Pickled tomatoes. А это что?
Перцовка.
Перцовка.
Это Russian горилка.
Russian горилка. Хорошо. Шнапс. Это что?
Шампанское.
Хорошо, шампанское. А, это что? А ну-ка еще погромче по-русски.
Оливье.
Оливье. Хочу. Поднимем бокалы в этот знаменательный день за нашу любимую именинницу, которая нас всю жизнь балует тортиками.
За самую лучшую маму, бабушку,
тетю, сестру, тещу. Ну давай до меня.
Вот так, не обязательно.
Вот так, а потом я передам вот так.
Не, он пошел, ему надо.
Ну хорошо,
до
пусть.
бабушки. Вот.
В добрый путь.
Спасибо.
вот так.
Such a beautiful cake. This is a raspberry cake. It's called Raspberry Heaven. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow, like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.